everybody, and welcome to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. I am just going to give you guys a heads up. I will be explaining the breakdowns to you, but I will not be doing the math. I like doing the math for you guys, but just right now, I don't feel like doing it. It takes way too much of my time. I spend an extra hour just doing the math for you guys. So I'm not trying to be negative, but if right now it's not worth my time. So I will still be breaking down the breakdowns with you guys, but I'm just not going to do the written picture. I have the pictures for you, but I just don't want to write that stuff down. It's just way too much time consuming right now, and it's not worth my time with everything going on. So I'm just going to share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting the Chex Mix. The Chex Mix are on sale for 99 cents. You guys want to use a 50-cent off of 2 coupon. We have one that's a printable coupon, or we have one that's a digital. But you guys would end up paying $1.48 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a you guys can submit a 50-cent off of 2 rebate with Saving Star, or it automatically does it for you guys. My kid's right next to me. So you guys would actually get these for 97 cents. Or hold on, I don't even know where I'm figuring this out. My daughter just messed me up. You guys would get these for 98 cents or just 49 cents a piece after that. So that's a pretty good deal if you guys need to get some snacks. I like to get some snacks for that. I'd bring my daughter up here, but she's just darty. Okay, here's a good thing if you guys want. I wanted to get these. I didn't look at them until they went back to full price, and I ended up getting one at full price because my son has crayons all over the place. I thought these were a cute little tin to put them in. Well, today I looked and they were marked down to $1.49. I'm like, shoot, I wish I got them when they were $1.49. And then I'm like, oh, do I want to get more? Well, I ended up price checking them, and these rung out for 75 cents. So they're originally $2.99 and they were 75 cents a piece. I thought these are perfect. Again, we have so many crayons. These are perfect. I mean, even if we have crayons in the car or something. Well, in the wintertime I'd keep them in the car, but not the summertime. But 75 cents. Okay, so I did the Pantene shampoo. These were 3 for $12. No, honey. No, honey. These were 3 for $12. I ended up using a 5 off of 3 coupon from the October P&G. And I also had a 4 off of 20 CRT that I used for Pantene. So I used a 4 off of 20 Pantene CRT. You guys would buy 6 of them, you'd pay $10, but then you get a $6 extra care buck back, making it just $4 or just 66 cents a piece. So I got 6 bottles of the Pantene. Okay. I ended up doing the Olay, or not the Olay, Oral-B and Crest and mouthwash deal. Now, I did not realize I had to scan my app. I thought it was anyone. I didn't scan it. I wasn't thinking. So, I was supposed to get a $1 rebate with Ibotta, but I didn't get the right one. So, not the biggest deal. You know, it's not a big deal to me. So, these 3, sorry, I got lip gloss in my hair, in my daughter's hair. I got the Crest Scope. I got the Oral-B two-pack, and the Crest Toothpaste. Now these were $2.99. I used $3 off digital coupons that we had. I paid $5.97 for all 3 of these. But then you guys will get a $5 extra care buck back, making it 97 cents or just 32 cents a piece. Now if you do get the correct one, you guys will get a $1 back with Ibotta, making these absolutely free. So just depends on what you guys do. I mean, everybody makes mistakes. So not the biggest deal. Things happen, so yeah. And then I also did the Crest deal, or the Colgate. I'm sorry, you guys, I'm just not thinking straight right now. I did the Colgate deal. Let me get this stuff out. Okay, I did the Colgate deal. Again, for the 100th time I said that. I don't know what I did with my... Okay, so the Colgate toothpaste was, see, if she wasn't with me, I'd be totally not distracted. The Colgate toothpaste were $3.49. I used 2 $1 off coupons that we got in today's inserts. I also used a $2 off CRT that we got last week. And I also had a 4 off of 16 Colgate toothbrushes, all that stuff. So I ended up going towards that. I ended up getting 2 of the Colgate toothbrushes. These were $4.49. I used 2 $1 off coupons that we got in today's inserts, along with that 4 off of 16. And then I got 2 mouthwashes. These were $3.99. I used 2 $1 off coupons that we got in today's inserts, along with that 4 off of 16. So I got 2 of each one. You guys would, after the coupons and then the CRTs, you would pay $11.94. But then you get $2 back with Colgate, and it's a limit of 2, so you guys would get $4 back with 2 of the Colgate mouthwashes. You would get $4 off, or $4 and an extra care buck for buying 2 toothpaste, and you would get $5 back for buying 2 of the toothbrushes. So all 6 items came to be a $1.06 moneymaker. So I got everything absolutely for free. Okay, and then I think I got one more deal to share with you guys. I did the All May deal. I was going to do the cereal deal. My store was sold out of the cereal that I wanted. I want to get Lucky Charms, and not everything was tagged, but they only had like one box of each. I just heard a weird noise in the corner. And then I was going to do that Babu toilet paper, but my store was sold out, so I didn't get those. But I ended up doing the All May deal. I really like using this concealer is what I've been using, and then I got the eyeshadow. So the concealer was $10.29, and the eyeshadow was $7.99. I used 3 $3 off coupons. I had a 5 CRT that I had, an All May CRT, and I had a 5 off a 25 CRT, making it $9.57. But then you guys will get a $4 extra care buck for every $12 that you spend. So I got $8 back, making it $1.57 or just 52 cents a piece. And I looked at my receipt, I was like $7 away also to get another $4, which I'm just like, oh, I could have done that, but I didn't realize it until I got home, so not a big deal. But yeah, so that was my haul, you guys. I was going to get the candy, but then I'm like, I'll just wait till closer to Halloween. Maybe I can get a better deal. But otherwise, oh, and I got the Alka-Seltzer Gum. I don't know what happened to it. I don't know what happened to it. It was, it's right here. There's this thing. I was walking all over the store trying to find it. But this was 49 cents. You guys would use that 49 cent extra or CRT that we had printed from the red machine today, making this absolutely for free. So that is what I got. My total came to 96 cents. I paid 96 cents for 23 items. I used $39 of extra care bucks, but I did receive $32 back, and then I will automatically will be submitting a 50-cent rebate for Saving Star. Comes out to be just $7.46 or just 32 cents a piece for 23 items. So I think it's a pretty good deal. My goal is always to get everything under 10 bucks. Yeah, so 10 bucks for everything. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give this video a say thumbs up, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.